Laguna Beach. It's the Duke Fightmaster Show. And now, here's Duke.
Crazier than the Duke Fightmaster Show audience! 180,637 views! Awesome. Thank you. All because of you guys. All because of you guys. Now, did you guys hear about Madonna? She just turned 50. She's on the cover of Vanity Fair in a negligee. She's 50. I mean, she's old enough to be my grandmother. She's got enough miles on her to be my great-grandmother. Hey,
no.
What did she? Did that thing herself? My cue card guy's a little slow. So now Madonna's so old that people aren't even asking, are these breasts real? They're asking, are these teeth real? But the people at Vanity Fair said that the picture did come out nice, you know, once they airbrushed the gray whiskers off her chin.
Hey now. Ooh.
Right, some of the jokes work, some of them don't. So, do you guys hear the Pope's in town? Yeah. You guys are pretty Leslie's on the applause line tonight.
Yeah, Leslie.
Now, the Pope is actually one of the few people that actually approves of what I do in this bedroom with Leslie. People that actually approves of my sex life. Now, the Pope was just giving a speech the other day, and he laid it out. He said, you know, there were times when the scandal of the church was not held properly. The speech, of course, was given to Boy Scouts at Neverland Ranch. Now, did you guys know Viagra is celebrating its 10th year?
Use it every day.
So, I know Chipper's a Viagra fan, right? Chipper here? Okay, so in celebration, I took one, and I was able to enjoy 3 hours of TV, much better than my usual half hour.
Yeah.
Leslie was right there with me, right?
Yeah.
Pretty fun?
That's really fun.
So, anyways, did you guys hear in London, the Formula One racing, Max Mosley recently got caught. He was making some videos. I guess he was having these parties at his house, and they were orgies. And he put these up on YouTube. And the people in Formula One racing are putting a lot of pressure on Mr. Mosley to resign. I just want to let Max know that we here at the Duke Fightmaster Show support you.
Race cars and orgies.
You're welcome here at any time, and please send an invitation to the party.
You
right?
can have my wife.
Yeah, totally.
What do you think? Isn't that a good idea, hon?
Well, actually, I've already been going to those.
Yeah! She's stepping out.
Good time, man.
Well, anyways, it's tax week. It was tax week, and you know, I actually do my taxes and take my annual blood test at the same time each year. So I have some good news. I'm getting $2,000 back, and I have herpes. I am sorry to have to tell you this way.
Don't be sorry. It's not like I'm going to get it. We don't really have sex.
Honey, we're going to have sex at one point if we want to have another kid. You know that, right?
Well, maybe. But actually, I was thinking of trying another
bother for the next one, you know.
Wow.
Mix it up a little, you know.
Just mix it up.
Just
Oh, boy.
mix up,
Hey.
expand the gene pool. Come on.
Yeah, open
She's
mind.
just kidding, people, right? She loves me. She loves me very much. How are you doing this evening?
I'm doing pretty good. But you know, I was thinking, I'm still trying to get more airtime on this show. I don't know who you have to know around here.
I told you, honey, if you want more airtime, you have to be talented. It's not a talent ripping on your husband.
Oh, then
Kind
again.
of is, but I think
She is good at it.
something.
Do you have a talent?
I can sing. I can sing something.
You can. Do you guys want to hear this? Let's see if Leslie has a talent.
All right.
Or John Leslie.
Got it.
This microphone over here. I've always wanted to sing with
Whoa.
Wet Dream.
Hide that thing, it's making us all look bad.
Turns out Leslie does have talent.
Yes.
Maybe get on Leslie for a second.
Dude, but it doesn't mean that you don't have to get a job.
Damn it! All right. Now it's time for the comments.
It's time for the comments, yeah. What do they got to say today? Yeah. Let's hear the comments, yeah.
Gotta step up.
Show must go
now,
on.
there's a lot of Conan fans out there that are catching more to this show. No, I like Conan. That's the problem. This Conan. Now, this is a Conan fan. He says, his name is Starmate88. It says, "This is dumb. You will, capital letters, never replace Conan. I'm afraid you are out of your league." Now, that was just a little bit ago. 2 hours ago, I replied to Starmate88, and I said, "Starmate88, I love Conan. I don't want to actually replace him personally. I just want to take his spot when he replaces Jay Leno." Then Starmate88 replied back just an hour ago. This is just in, hot off the press. It says, "Oh, okay, gotcha. In that case, sure, take Conan's spot. You're better than Leno any day. LOL."
Oh, yeah.
Look out, Conan!
We're going to have to take a short break. There's a box next to me. I wrote the words "click" here. I put a blue link under that. Click there, and we'll be right back. Give it up for Wet Dream.
Tell me, where did you sleep last night? In the pines, where the sun don't ever shine. I shivered the whole night through.
What brings you down to beautiful Orange County?
Rehab.